Hello guys and welcome to another video from Time of Business. Today we'll be discussing 5 hacks that will skyrocket your sales on Etsy. Now if you apply those 5 methods, we are sure that your sales will increase. Now if you're new to the channel, Time of Business is the perfect place to learn how to grow your online business. Whether you have an Etsy store, a Shopify store, a YouTube channel, a blog, this is where you need to learn how to grow online. So if that is something that you are interested in, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video, and also check out our website, timeofbusiness.com, because we have a ton of useful information for sellers just like you. The first thing that you want to do, and we cannot stress enough on this, is to learn basic SEO tips and tricks. You have to understand that Etsy is a search engine for products. So learning those basic SEO skills will help you on the long run, and that means that you will be able to optimize your products by yourself and not pay a third party or a SEO expert in order to optimize your products. So here we can easily help you out. You can go on our website and we have 2 blog posts, one on how to write great product descriptions, and the second one on how to write your Etsy titles and tags with a step-by-step guide. So if you go in the video description below, you will find those 2 blog posts and you can go read them and you can apply those changes to your Etsy store. The second thing that you want to do is to target a specific audience through specific keywords. So that means that you want to target a subcategory from the main or broad niche that you want to target. So I will provide you with an example so that you get a better understanding of this. Let's say you want to sell on Etsy and you like selling jewelry and you want to choose necklaces. Now, if you go on Etsy and look up necklaces, you'll find a ton of results. So for example, let's take women's necklace. That will show you 2.3 million results. So that means that if you list one more product, you will show up in those 2.3 million results. If you want to sell gold necklace, that will have a 1.4 million results. So that means that the competition is smaller, but still that keyword is very broad and you'll most likely not land on those first pages. So that means no visitors for that specific keyword. So if we go even further down the rabbit hole, if you type in African necklace, you will see that this specific keyword has a search result of just 50,000. So that means that you already are within a niche where you have a better chance to rank your product within those first pages. So this is a great way to narrow down your audience. And let's say I want to sell now and target African necklaces. So if I want to be even more specific, I can type in traditional African necklace. And if we go on Google and see how many searches it has per month, it has 480. So that means that this way of narrowing down your niche, so your products, will actually give you a better chance to be found and to actually make those sales. Before we move forward, if you find value from this video and similar videos, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that notification bell so that you do not miss on another video. Try to watch as many videos as you can because we provide a ton of free useful information for Etsy sellers just like you. Like the video, leave a comment, let us know what you think, and let's move on with our video. The third thing that you want to do is to get positive reviews from your customers and as many as you can. We also have a video on that, so make sure to watch it if that is something that you are struggling with. And the very simple and easy method to do so is that when you have an order, try to send a coupon or a flyer to your customer. This way you can encourage them to leave a positive review and to also maybe give them a coupon code so that you have repeat customers. And this is how you build a community around your store, and that is how your positive reviews will increase. A thing that you do not want to do is to send repetitive messages to your customers that might annoy them, and that can lead up to a report on Etsy or maybe even a bad feedback. So if you know that your package has arrived and that your customer will most likely be satisfied with the product, you can send a message. That is after you have already included the coupon code or the flyer, and then see if that will lead to a positive review. If not, you can try the next time. The fourth thing that you want to do, and people do not do that enough, is to start using a social media platform for your Etsy store. Now, there are a lot of people that get confused or are afraid to use social media platforms because they are overwhelmed with how big other stores and other accounts have grown. But you have to think that everybody started small. So you need to start with maybe Instagram or Facebook, a platform that you already use, and start to post there, engage, grow your audience. And also we advise you to try other social media platforms that you are not comfortable or familiar with, because sometimes those will be the most successful for you. So you need to find out where your audience is looking for ideas, for products, for photos, and that is how you can build and engage with new customers. Also, YouTube, Instagram Reels, TikTok, Shorts, that is the video form where you do not need to be on camera because a lot of people are afraid to do so, but you can easily showcase your product. You can show how you package those products, and we have seen a lot of stores drawing a lot of traffic and sales just by showing how they package their products. And here you might say, but wait, I don't have any orders. And you have to think here that the audience doesn't know that. So if you take an order, a so-called order, and prepare it, and you show me how you package the order, how the product is like, maybe the quality, that means that I will most likely be more inclined to order that product, and you can actually get real orders. The fifth and last thing that you can do is to improve your quality, packaging, and overall customer experience when it comes to your products. That means that you need to use better materials to package your products better, because that can actually lead to a better customer experience. Now you have to understand that when I receive a certain product, maybe it is a bath bomb, maybe it is a necklace, a watch, when I unbox it, so when I have that unboxing experience, if that is something that adds even more to the quality of the product, that means that I will be more inclined to leave a positive review, to be a repeat customer, and Etsy loves that. Other customers love that. Think about yourself. When you go online, you want to see those positive reviews on the product that you are already buying. So you need to think, how can I get my customers to leave a positive review, to have a positive experience? And that is by improving everything that they feel when they open that package, the actual quality of the product. So that is something that once you start, or maybe you can do that even before starting selling on Etsy, you can work a lot on the quality of your product, the packaging, and the overall experience for your customer. So that was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed and found something useful, and you can now go and increase your sales on Etsy, the overall experience of your customers be found on searches and everything. Once again, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, watch our videos because you have a ton of useful information, read the articles on our blog, timeofbusiness.com, and until next time, guys, do not forget, there was never a better time.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name.